What's good, Juicy Fruit? Juicy Fruit is gonna move you. The tasty, good ride to ya. Oh my gosh. Typewriter Series today is number 432, and you have unique wee paper today. If you look at it this way, you see that there's a little slide strip here, but if you look at it this way, it's a boarding pass. Looks like I sat in seat 6C. I began in Salt Lake, and I went to Bozeman on May 21st out of gate E77 because you needed that information. Here's your poem. Of all the qualities, I think that perhaps grace just might hold the absolute and undisputed title of most underrated. What gets interesting is how you define grace and what it looks like in someone to you. So, in the comments, tell me what grace looks like to you. What does that how does that quality translate? I want to know what you consider to be graceful. I love you a lot. Have a cool day.